Hi everybody, welcome back to Kaden's Kitchen. I forgot what I was going to say. Hi everybody, welcome back to Kaden's Kitchen. Today we're making a double batch of brownie cookies. These are the ingredients you all need. Butter, chocolate chips, vanilla, oil, eggs, cocoa powder, sugar, flour, salt, baking powder. Before we mix the ingredients, preheat your oven to 350 and line your baking pans. Next, add the cocoa powder, butter, sugar, and oil. Mix till fluffy. Now add the eggs and vanilla. Juicy. And mix. Now add the dry ingredients. 1, 2, and 3. And stir. Now fold in the chocolate chips. Now scoop the dough onto prepared sheets. Bake at 350 for 10 minutes. My favorite part, the taste test. That's pretty good. Like, subscribe, and join us next time for a mystery again.